Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by nailing fundamentals: order types, margin, leverage, fees, and basic chart patterns. Once you understand why each matters, make a simple weekly plan, 5 to 7 hours split between reading and hands-on practice, so progress is consistent. Then open a demo account and place at least 10 deliberate trades focused on execution rather than profit. As you do this, record outcomes and the exact steps you took. That logging trains judgment and prevents repeating avoidable mistakes. Once you're recording trades, focus on one clear strategy and learn why it works. Backtest it across 200+ historical instances to see edge and drawdown. Make a written trading plan that spells entry, stop, take profit, and risk per trade. Use 1% risk as a starting rule so your capital survives learning. Then, practice position sizing and execution in demo under live market speed. This forces you to internalize timing and trade management rather than just theory, which is where knowledge becomes usable skill. When your demo results and documented edge are consistent, transition to small real capital so you learn the emotional component. Make monthly reviews that calculate win rate, expectancy, and max drawdown. Use those metrics to tighten or change rules. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Reduce size first, then revisit your trading plan and backtesting assumptions, and finally pause trading if emotions, fear, or revenge are impairing decisions. This disciplined loop transforms isolated knowledge into resilient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.